Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. I'm back and this time I'm bringing you all an unboxing. Now I haven't filmed one of these in a while, but I made an order early in the week and I'm pretty excited about this purchase, so I can't wait to show you guys my genuine reaction as I open it up. Just to give you some background on what I've ordered, this is the latest release from Beyonce's current collaboration with Adidas. She released her first collection with the brand at the start of the year, which I made a video on giving my reaction, and I was really impressed with what I saw. Now when I first saw the photos of this product online, I was blown away by the design. It's very dramatic, it has a crazy silhouette, so let's get unpacking. So this is the box it came in. It has like some perforated detail, like Adidas stripe details. So let's open it up. Pull the card. Okay, open it up. Okay, so these are the shoes. The Beyonce Superstar shoes, they're called. Nice little Beyonce Adidas dust bag. Superstar on the back. These are the trainers. These look giant in real life. They look giant. I'll bring them out so you guys can see the full design. So these are Beyonce's version of the classic Adidas Superstar sneakers, and this latest release is in celebration of the 50th anniversary of the original Adidas Superstar sneakers. So this is an ode to that, and as you can see it has its different changes, so I'll just go through this design. So it has the signature 3 black stripes at the side, just identical to that Superstar original, as well as the front toe cap, has like the rubber toe cap there, the ridging, that's all identical to the original, and then the black heel counter, contrasting black. The differences which I really love about this design are from the get-go you can see the sole. It's not just your standard flat rubber sole, it's actually a platform sole, and it's also, if you look even closer, a stacked platform. So it looks like it has 2 soles on top of each other. But really it's just there's some outer ridging in the middle of the sole, and it extends at the end in this pointed tip, and it has on the sole that Beyonce, take the laces out so you can see, Beyonce Adidas, just in case you guys forgot. First impressions, it's a very signature design, very unique. There's nothing out there like that in terms of trainers right now, I don't think. And I love the fact that it's like a different play on the platform sole. It just elevates that trend even more, and it just makes it more exciting. It's not for everyone, but first impressions, the way it looks, I just love it. And again, this is something that has Beyonce's stamp all over, you can tell. I think they go really well with this dress I'm wearing right now, with the little black detail. I ordered a size 8 in the UK, that is my standard size of shoe, so I'm very happy with these. First impression, it's not like a very toned down style, so if that's more your thing, maybe not opt for these, but if you want something that will make you stand out from the crowd, I recommend. Judging by these, I think the next collection that Beyonce releases with Adidas is going to be even more kind of dramatic and signature, so I really can't wait for that. There were photos of Beyonce, I think a month ago now, where she was leaving a studio, apparently shooting a new Adidas campaign, so there are things coming, we just all have to stand by. I am so excited to see what is next, cannot wait. What do you guys think of these trainers? Are you fans? Is it not your thing? Let me know in the comments below. Please subscribe and click on that notification button so you can see when I post new videos, and I'll see you guys next time.